Today I'm making this fringe denim or jeans earring. Watch to the end to see how I style. What you need for this project is a round earring, silver or gold depend on your choice. The size also depend on you. I prefer this big one because I'm dramatic. Then you can go for any shape, but this round is easier to slip through the denim fabric. Next is a lightweight denim fabric. You don't want it to weigh too heavy on your ears, so lightweight. Then make sure it has a double sewn edge because that's where your earring will slip through. Find that part of the jeans that has a double sewn edge. You need a pair of scissors. Fabric glue. To start, find the double sewn edge of your jeans or denim fabric, lay it flat on a surface. You must find that double sewn edge part because that's where you're going to slip your earring through. Then measure 2.5 inches from the top of the double sewn edge of your fabric to the bottom, like you are trying to find the length of your earring. You can make it longer if you like or shorter, but I chose 2.5 inches, just perfect for me. Then measure 7 inches through the top of the double sewn edge of your fabric, of your jean fabric. Connect your measurement with a chalk so you don't miss it when you're cutting. Make sure you get your lines straight so you have an even cut when you're cutting. Next is to cut through with a scissors. When you're cutting the double sewn edge, cut on the upper side of the denim fabric. You remember we are slipping our earring through the teeny opening that is between that double sewn edge. So make sure you cut it in such a way that you don't encroach into the double sewn edge so your earring doesn't fall out. You will come out with this little piece here. Next, cut out any uneven or useless part of your piece, just like I'm doing so. Here you have it. The next thing you do is use your scissors and begin to cut fringes out of your fabric. Tiny little fringes. Make sure you do it neatly. And make sure your scissors is sharp. My scissors wasn't very sharp, so I had a little bit of stress cutting through. Get very sharp scissors. Make an identical piece, your second piece for the second earring. This is the first one. Make an identical second piece, like so. This is the second one I've made. Then begin to put your earring together by slipping your earring through that teeny opening that's on the double sewn edge, like so. Open your earring, make sure it's well expanded so that I can go through the fabric. Lastly, though this is optional, use a fabric glue to hold both ends of your fringe denim to prevent it from moving, or make variety of colors of this fringe piece that you can replace anytime to match your outfit.